Kerala, Bengal and perhaps Orissa, that's what the BJP seem to be targeting to expand their presence across the country. In Orissa, the ruling BJD has never really been threatened in recent elections, but with the Prime Minister holding a roadshow in Bhubaneswar today, the signs seem clear. Naveen Patnaik may face a huge challenge in the next assembly polls 2 years away.
Odisha hasn't seen a political challenge like this one. Prime Minister Modi walked in the middle of an arterial road in Bhubaneswar, drove to the venue of a BJP conclave, waving at the crowds while hanging out of a secure vehicle, as BJP mobilized huge crowds to greet his roadshow. That kick-started the BJP's two-day conclave, where party president Amit Shah set the tone for the 2019 battle in Odisha. He told party workers the BJP's golden age will begin only after Odisha, Kerala and Bengal are won.
देश के 60% भूभाग और 70% पॉलिटिकल स्पेस पर बीजेपी का राज्य है, लेकिन फिर भी ऐसे बहुत सारे क्षेत्र हैं जहां बीजेपी को आगे बढ़ना है. केरला, तमिलनाडु, त्रिपुरा, बंगाल, तेलंगाना. Resolved to make BJP a pan-India party from the panchayat to the parliament.
To launch its Look East plan with Odisha as the gateway, the BJP mega show is a display of might. 350 top leaders, top union ministers and 13 chief ministers. During his roadshow, the Prime Minister met women and tribal children, two voter segments the BJP is targeting, all for a state the BJP has never ruled, until 2009 was known more as the BJD's ally. From Odisha, it has just one member of parliament in Lok Sabha and just 10 MLAs in the state assembly. To move from number 3 to number 1, BJP is making a big splash. And just like UP, Prime Minister Modi is the face. Are you going to into Orissa 2019, last question, with Prime Minister Modi's face? Or somebody like you, a dynamic leader, can be projected as a chief ministerial candidate?
It's Modi, Modi, Modi.
For almost 10 kilometers in Bhubaneswar, Prime Minister Modi drove something like this to the venue of the BJP conclave. A little toehold on the footboard of his special vehicle. Symbolic. Prime Minister Modi and the BJP feel that the panchayat polls have given the party a small toehold in the state. To drive home the advantage, the BJP poll machinery has started working. With Sabyasachi in Bhubaneswar, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.